Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you the best driving test route at Service NSW Kiama in New South Wales. So I am outside Service NSW office Kiama. So today is the weekend, so the office is closed. See, on the right side is the parking, customer parking on the back, and it's a one way. You have to park on the back. There is a parking space for the driving test people. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to the YouTube channel. You will find many other driving test route video at different Service NSW center like Warrawong or Corrimal, so you can find those videos very helpful. So let's go for the driving test. Guys, we are coming out of Service NSW Kiama, and follow the road. And keep going straight. So we will turn right. This is the stop sign. You have to wait for 3 seconds. So we will turn right on the Bong Bong Street. So count 1001, 1002 and 1003, then you can turn right. And keep going straight. So this is the school zone. If you are giving the driving test in the school zone timing, which is 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. or 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m., then drive at 40 speed limit. And keep going straight. It is still a school zone. So this is a stop sign again. Follow the rule. Complete stop. Even if there is no traffic, so you can't slow down and just simply cross. You have to completely stop. So follow the road. We will do the curbside parking here. Give the left turn indicator and slowly take the vehicle to the curb. Don't hit the curb. And check all the mirror, rear view mirror and side door mirror and over the shoulder on your left before you are turning to the left. And make sure that you are able to see the rear wheel tire of the car in front of you, and then you can park the car, pull the handbrake and tell the instructor that you have done the curbside parking. So when it is all done, he will say let's go. So put up the car in the drive mode, pull down the handbrake, give the right indicator and check the rear view mirror and then over right door mirror and over the shoulder on your right, and then you can start driving. So keep going straight, and we will take left on the Thompson Street. Give the left indicator, and it is a steep rise and there is a stop sign. And make sure that you drive safely and completely stop. When it is all clear, then you can turn left. And now it is the end of school zone. So now you can drive at 50. So keep going straight. Keep going straight. And we will slowly right. Keep going straight. Don't drive on the double lane. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. The speed limit is 50 here. All the internal roads have speed limit of 50. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. And we will take left on the Barney Street. Give the left indicator. So on these kind of roads, you may be asked to do the 3-point turn or a reverse side parking. So keep going straight. Keep going straight. And we will be doing the reverse side parking behind this van. Give the left indicator, park the car in front parallel to that car, and put up the reverse gear. Slowly take the vehicle to the back. Keep checking all your mirrors. Don't hit the curb. Make sure that you are able to see the rear wheel of the car in front of you, and then you can park. Pull the handbrake and tell the instructor that you have done the reverse parking. Very well done. So he will say, let's go now. So give the right indicator, pull down the handbrake, and put up the car to the drive mode. Check the rear view mirror, right door mirror, and over the shoulder on your right, and you can start driving. So keep going straight. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. And speed limit is 50 here. We will take left on the Shoalhaven Street. So now we will turn left. You can turn left here. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. We will turn left on the Noorinen Street. So this is a left lane only, you don't drive on the other side. So keep going straight. This is a tight road, so make sure that you don't hit the vehicle. Sometimes people can come out of the car at any time. Keep going straight. And we will turn left on the Belvedere Street. This is the stop sign. You have to completely stop. When it is all clear, then you can turn left. It is a bit steep, so you have to be very careful. So keep going straight. Keep going straight. And this kind of quiet street, we will take a 3-point turn. So take the vehicle to the left. Firstly give the left indicator, then give the right indicator. There is a car from my back, you have to wait. So then you have to turn right. Don't hit the curb. Stop. Keep checking all your mirrors and reverse the vehicle, then stop and then drive. Give the right indicator and you can drive. Okay, keep going straight, that's good. So now we will be taking a right turn on Noorinen Street. It's a one-way street. Give the right indicator. The first lane on the right is no entry, don't drive there. So it is a bit confusing, don't go there. Take the right here. So keep going straight. Keep going straight. and we will take left on the Shoalhaven Street, and it's a give way sign. The dotted line mean give way. There is a straight line mean a stop sign there. So there is a vehicle coming, I have to give way. So now you can turn left. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, you will find many other driving test route videos and other helpful video which may be very helpful if you are giving the driving test. So we will go straight. There is a stop sign. You have to wait for 3 seconds. See, you can see the difference. It is a straight line mean it is a stop line, and dotted line means it is a give way sign. So we will have to completely stop. Once it is all clear, then we can go. So we will go straight. And this area has a speed limit of 40 because of high pedestrian activity. So it is 40 all the time, whether it is a school zone or doesn't have a school zone, don't matter. So you have to keep driving at 40. So we will be taking left on the Railway Parade. Give the left indicator, and it is a stop sign also. It is a busy road. You have to have a patience. Take the left, and it is a pedestrian crossing. You have to give way to the pedestrian. So keep going straight. It is a busy area because of the market. The speed limit will be 40 or even less, maybe sometime 10 or 15 depending upon the vehicles on the road. So take a left on the Collins Street, give way to the traffic on the roundabout from your right side. See, now it is a 50 speed limit, so you can drive at 50. Again, a school zone. Check the school zone timing. If you are appearing there in the driving test during that time limit, then the speed will be 40. Keep going straight. We will take left on the Bong Bong Street. Keep going straight. Keep going straight, and we will take left on the Shoalhaven Street. So you are back after giving the driving test, guys. So on my right is the Service NSW office. and you can go inside, and if you have any question, just put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. And subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Good luck for your driving test.